Section 3. This section addresses safe practices related to the use of lifts and aerial platforms on slopes, safe work procedures, hand signals, and emergency stops, as well as traffic control in shared work areas. The key points are summarized below. Slopes. Drive carefully when going up and down slopes. Pay attention to the surface of the slope to avoid slipping. Constant observation of the platform, equipment, and conditions. Safety inspections before operating on a slope must be done. Prior verification of the equipment status and compliance with the manufacturer's specifications for slope capacity. Leveling the equipment before lifting it is very important. And make sure to use your seat belt. Overview the maintenance of raised railings. Control of speed and orientation of the equipment must be regulated at all times. It is important to maintain constant communication with all surrounding workers or pedestrians. Remember to respect the low standards and low capacities of your machine. Safe work procedures. Knowing your workplace and its risks is highly important, and it's one and can be the easiest ways to prevent an accident or an incident. Carry out a risk assessment before the operation is done. Implementing controls of measures to mitigate risks, set up your job site, consider pedestrian safety, and promote communication and safety awareness within the workplace. Hand signals and emergency stop. Common hand signals for stop, move up, move down, and other indicators are highly important. Make sure that the emergency stop button works in order to stop the equipment in critical situations. Effective communication between operators and workers on the platform is always important. Traffic and traffic control. When working in shared areas, it's essential to consider traffic. Shared work areas. Be mindful of areas shared with pedestrians, vehicles, and other equipment. Signage and warning signs. Use clear signs to alert anyone of potential hazards. Designated routes and speed limits. Establish and follow these to ensure safe movement. Communication. Maintain constant communication between operators and workers to prevent collision, parking lifts, and aerial platforms safely. Safety is crucial when parking lifts and aerial platforms. Check the ground. Ensure it is leveled. Safe location. Park away from traffic areas and hazards. Level the platform. Use leveling feet if necessary. Turn off equipment. Follow the manufacturer's procedures. Remove ignition keys. Prevent unauthorized use. Store loose objects. Avoid hazards by securing loose items. Post warning notices. Indicate when equipment is out of service. Communicate. Inform other workers that the equipment is parked and out of service. Common risks on lifts and aerial platforms. Contact with electricity lines. The hazard, electrocution, fires, explosions, and falls. An example is a worker too close to a power line can have serious accidents. So take action by staying calm, keep your distance, and report the incident, and wait for any instructions from emergency personnel. Rollovers. The risk, unstable center of gravity, uneven terrain, and high winds. Example, an operator exceeded the load capacity, causing a rollover. Take action by staying on the platform, staying calm, and reporting the incident and waiting for help. Platform falls, hazards, unsafe operations, lack of guardrails, adverse weather, unauthorized access. Example, an operator fell on a windy day. Call of action, call an emergency service. Do not move the platform, provide first aid, and wait for rescue personnel. Lack of maintenance. Risks. Mechanical failures, safety issues, reduced efficiency. Example, a hydraulic failure due to lack of maintenance. Consequences. Injuries, equipment damage, repair costs, loss of confidence in safety. Prevention, regular maintenance, inspections, and proactive safety measures. Other risks for lifts and aerial platforms. Fatigue. Fatigue decreases concentration and alertness, and errors when decision-making. Increased fall risk. Tired operators are more prone to losing balance. Distractions. Losing sight of surroundings with phones or chatting can cause distractions. Errors in operation. Distractions can lead to abrupt or incorrect movements, and increased collision risk. Inattention can result in collision. Emotions. Nervousness or anxiety can cause unsafe operations. Irritability or frustration affects communication and decision making. Impulsive behavior leads to hasty or unsafe actions. Prevention is key. Adequate rest. Ensure sufficient rest before operating equipment. Maintain attention. Avoid distractions and stay focused. Emotional control. Manage emotions and take breaks if needed. Communicate effectively with coworkers. Continuous training. Regularly update and reinforce your safety practice knowledge. Health considerations. Pre-existing medical conditions such as heart disease, epilepsy, and other health issues can increase the risk. Allergies or sensitivities. Exposure to certain chemicals or materials can trigger reaction. Substance use. Alcohol, drug, or impairing medications pose significant risk. Rescue plan. Be prepared for emergencies with clear rescue plan. Personal rescue. The operator can free themselves using procedures like manual release key. Assisted rescue. A coworker helps the operator, such as lowering the platform if the operator feels unwell. Technical rescue. Specified personnel like firefighters use equipment to perform a safe rescue. Conclusion. Safety is everyone's responsibility. Be aware of procedures, communicate effectively, and report any issues, working together to foster strong safety culture. Every action you take to promote safety helps prevent accidents and injuries, ensuring successful and safe operating at heights. Congratulations on reaching the final section of this course. Your dedication to learning and commitment to safety has brought you to this pivotal moment. At ProActive Safety, we believe the power of education and the importance of personal responsibility in fostering a safe work environment. By successfully completing this course and passing the final test, you're not only obtaining your operator certification, but also becoming a crucial part of our mission to promote a culture of safety and compliance in the workplace. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Your awareness, communication, and adherence to the safety procedures are essential to preventing accidents and ensuring a secure environment for all. Continue to apply these principles in your daily operations, and you will contribute to a safer and more efficient workplace. Thank you for your hard work and commitment. We are proud to have you as a certified operator, and we look forward to seeing you excel in your role. Best of luck on your final test, and welcome to the Safety ProActive family. Hey, you've already done the hardest part, which was watch this video. Now, don't stay there. Take the next step. Answer a couple questions, pass the quiz, and the certification is yours. Don't just stop by watching. Take action today. Go down to the link below, get a discount, and get certified now.